I'm driving to a polishing factory. 2 days ago, I learned about the Cookware turnkey project. We exported a 9-head 10-station internal polishing machine last year. Today, I'm going to check what is the new technology has been updated. The factory is producing some rotary polishing machines. This machine looks very solid and powerful. This is external rotary table polishing machine. This is dust-proof facility room. The operator can see inside clearly. The dust can be effectively taken away by the exhaust system. Inside the room, it is a set of internal and external automatic polishing machines, applied with salt wax system. This is a group of CNC polishing machines. It is the latest technology. The polishing worker is less while more expensive. This CNC polishing machine can be easily operated. It works like a skillful polishing master. Next vlog, I will learn about the automatic cookware deep draw line.